life is to stand on your own 2 feet, work hard, earn money. Correct now? Huh? Once you fail in your studies, next one starts. Standing on your own 2 feet, working very hard and earning money. Correct now? All of you are doing that. Huh? So, until the end of your life, what is the purpose? Work hard, earn money. Work hard, earn money. What is life for? Working hard, earning money. Everybody is doing, correct? Working hard, earning money. What is life? Working hard, earning money. What for? Money. What for? More money. What for? To build a bigger house. From 2-bedroom to 3-bedroom house. From a small Maruti car, you graduate to become a Qualis, a Innova. Huh? So, as you grow, not only your money is growing, your body is growing. So you can't sit in a Maruti. So you require a bigger car to put your bigger body in a Innova. Your life is about buying a bigger car. Life is about buying a bigger car, bigger house. Maybe if you have one house, now buy one more house, rent it out, make property. What to do with that more money? Build one more house. You have some more money, what to do? Build one more house. Make a colony. Then what? What is life about? Making more. What for? God only knows. What do you do with the money? God only knows. Wasted the whole life earning money. How much money you require? Ek roti or ek langote is all that is required. But it has made into a heroic job for the rest of your life. Useless. Spend all your life useless, making money. But stupidity, nobody has questioned the stupidity. Everybody thinks this is a holy task. Correct or not? Wasted your life. Spit on your own life. Making one. Want to continue? Continue. What else is there? Only that. Wasted. first 20, 25 years wasted on studying hard. Now the next rest of the life is wasted on earning more money. Life is for earning more money. Then you say, why I should earn more money? Because I've got 2 children. What is the purpose of money? So that you can bring up 2 children. No? Make them study hard. Educate them. Very great holy task you are doing. Educate them. And then make sure that they stand on their own 2 feet. And on top of it, make sure that they get married. Okay. So your responsibility is up to the point to get married, to get them married. If the daughter is not getting married, problem. Itna problem होता. Life is about getting your daughter married. Spend lots of money, get her somehow married. For what purpose? Why you want to get them married? So that they can produce 2 more children and do the same thing. Continue the race of asses, continue donkeys, to continue the race of donkeys. Get them married and tell them, you too should get 2 children. What is your money for? You can spend it on these 2 donkeys. So that they can produce 2 greater donkeys in them. Wasted life. Purpose of life. Study hard. Second one, stand on your own 2 feet, work hard. Then, work for what? For your children. Whole life is wasted. Everybody is wonderstruck. This is all we are doing. And we have no other way. We know only this way. All waste of life. No. Then some people will say, no, I'm not wasting my life. I'm serving the society. Serving the society. So a person will come and say, don't waste your life. Don't spend all the money on your family only. Spend it on the community. So I'm serving the community. Service to humanity is service to God. So we must do seva. And we must make our life fulfilled. So this Swami Vivekananda, like that, one Vivekananda will come and tell you, life is about serving humanity. And so these people start serving humanity. They think their life is much better now than earning money. Very few people enter this. 98% only earning money. 1 or 2% enter into this zone. And they think that life is about serving other people. What serving other people? Other poor people. Okay. So, you start looking at the suffering of others. You spend your time suffering along with the suffering. And this is a great sacrifice. And people think that God is going to give them a special place because they suffered with sufferers. You understand? You are being given a bigger ticket in heaven because you suffered with suffering people. Very nice, huh? Another waste of time. Okay. Suffering with suffering people. Then there are some people who will graduate much beyond that. They will say life is for serving the nation. Serving the nation. What it means? Go and have big guns and shoot other people. Serving the nation means shooting other people. Very dangerous person. Life is about saving the nation, shooting other people. Patriotism. You must look after your country. You must do so. Shoot other people. Then something higher than this. Some more people will come and say, life is for protecting your dharma. You are a Hindu, you must protect your Hindu dharma. You are a Christian, you must propagate Christianity and you must give your life, you must give your money, you must give your time and make sure Christianity prospers everywhere. So, then some people from Islam, they will say you must give jihad. Fight for your Allah. Even if you die, it doesn't matter. You will get a better place in heaven. If you cannot kill with guns, make yourself a gun. Pack yourself with bombs. Go to a place and explode and kill another 1,000 people. You will get better heaven. Okay. Protect your dharma. Very nice, no? Very nice. You have done a great job. Is life about protecting your dharma? Bombing other people? Set up your own Sena. Then, after all of this, when people get tired, then they say, now my purpose of my life is to attain moksha. What is moksha? release from birth and death, cycle of birth and death. So what you must dedicate your life to? Releasing yourself from the birth of cycle and death. You must do sadhana to release yourself from birth and death, because this birth is a useless birth. And death is also useless, painful. Whole life is painful. So to release yourself from life itself permanently, you do sadhana. Correct now? Everywhere more and more suffering. Very nice. Nice. So whatever I told you so far, all nonsense. We have been doing nonsense. You agree or not? Huh? In the name of life, we are killing life. That small child, his life is killed. Wasted our life or not? What do you say? If you enjoyed your life, will you ask God, please don't give me any more life? If you enjoyed life, what would you ask? God, give me more and more life. Huh? So unfortunately, we have defined our life very wrongly. Because of defining our life, purpose of our life wrongly, all of us are suffering. All of us. Continuously suffering for nothing. Suffering itself has become a happiness. So, I too was thinking all these things are okay. But recently, I got this thing that we have been doing nonsense in this world. Creating nonsense for our children, nonsense for ourselves, nonsense for the family, nonsense for society. No? Simply, we are all stupid. Correct now? Correct or not? Because nobody has told you this. Everybody says, oh, if you are suffering, you think of God. Go and do some budget. If you are suffering, okay, go and give some money to someone. The basic cause for suffering is your definition of life itself is the basic cause. It is not whether you have more money or less money, that is not the problem. But the very definition that life is for making money itself is the problem. Correct or not? Defining life, instead of defining life as learning more and more about the beauty of this nature, if you define life as learning more and more about the beauty of this world, about the structure of this world, how it works, instead what we have done, getting more and more marks, coming first. Correct now? He is learning enjoyable, learning more and more how this world works. Is it wonderful? Or getting marks is important. Which one is important? Huh? Children want to learn or not? You have to send them to school or else they don't learn. Huh? What do children want? You give them a toy. What will they do? They want to learn. Not only they want to learn how the toy is, they want to know what is inside the toy. So they break it open. We say, this boy always destroys the toys. Is it good or bad? Huh? If he is an intelligent child, he will break the toy. It is not a bad thing, it's a good thing. You must appreciate this fellow wants to learn. We don't have to send them to school. Do children want to learn or not? Even if you don't send them to school, do they want to learn or not? Huh? And when you learn, are you feeling very, very happy or not? But if you focus on becoming better than the other person, getting more marks, then your life will become hell. So, defining life is very interesting and very important. If you don't define life properly, then you go through this cycle of uselessness, suffering unnecessarily for yourself. Oh, now you want to start learning or you want to earn a lot of money? What do you want? Want to earn lots of money or you want to learn? Do you want to learn or do you want to earn lots of money? You say the purpose of learning is to earn money. Not purpose of learning is the enjoyment of learning itself. Now, what should we tell our children? Study hard, get good marks. That is what we should tell. What do you want to tell? What do you want to tell your child? Study hard, get good marks. What shall we do? See, you are setting an example for him. If your life is only about earning money, more money, what way? His life will also be only like yours. You yourself are a bad example. Do you continue to study? But people think that studying means earning one more degree. I am not talking about earning one more degree. Do you continue to study or not? I am telling you, even those people who say we are not studying because they are confusing. I am not getting one more MA degree, one more bigger degree, not like that. All of you read newspaper now. Do you read newspaper to get a bigger degree? But are you keen to read the newspaper Huh? Why? You want to learn. That's why you are keen to read the newspaper. What has happened? You want to learn. But most people are at least reading newspaper. But people like me have stopped reading newspaper because most of the news is bad news. We are not creating good news, we are only creating bad news. Because of definition of life. Once it is about earning money, then all news is bad news. Everybody is creating bad news. If you are given a ticket, told that you can go around the world, here is the visa, here is the money. Now, go and see the world. Who would like to go? Anybody who doesn't like to go, there is nobody. Sit down. So, you understand, people go to Kashmir. Why they go to Kashmir? Why? They see and enjoy, correct? Why they go to Kashmir? To see beautiful Himalayas and come enjoy, huh? Seeing and enjoying. That is why people go there, correct? So, why have you come to this earth? Why have you come to this earth? Huh? Why you go to Kashmir? To see and enjoy. Why have you come to this earth? Huh? To see and enjoy. You understand? Why you have come to this earth? To see and enjoy. Why you go anywhere? To see and enjoy. Correct or not? So, what is the purpose of your life? To see and enjoy. Okay. What is the purpose of your life? Is to see and enjoy. Why you have come to this planet? To see and enjoy. Correct now? So, life, you have come to this planet not to go to university and study for 25 years. You are not born to work like a donkey and get some money. These are all wrong things. Would you like to work very hard, earn some money, or you want to go around the world and see the world? Which one? Huh? Work hard, get some money. What do you want to do? Oh, Lord. Anybody else has got some other answer? Everybody wants to go around and see or not? Huh? So, what is life? Life is about enjoying the gift of this life on this planet. It is not about waging a war. It is not about saving your dharma. It is not about doing seva. It is not about doing tapasya to get over birth and death. All these are nonsense. Life is for enjoying the gift of this birth. Life is for enjoying the gift of this life. For studying hard, bypassing somebody else. Now, if you realize that you have come to this world to see the world, to enjoy with everyone, your life will be very different from making money, paisa. What is the use of all your paisa? Useless. Building big buildings for what? Overpopulating. Have 2 more children. Overpopulate the world. Certainly, purpose of life is not for studying and getting high marks. Guaranteed it is not that, okay. Guaranteed life is not about working hard and making money. Guaranteed it is not that, okay. All waste of time. This must get into you very, very fully. Because if you define your life wrongly, your whole life is taken somewhere else, hijacked. No? All children's life has been hijacked into getting good marks. Tiring themselves out for nothing. So much of human energy waste. Now, if you understand, life is about going around the world, seeing the world, being with all the people, then you will set up a different thing. Then you will say, I want to invite all the people from the world to my house. It is not about building big house for your bigger body to sit. You will build homes so people can come and stay with you. Nice now. And you yourself will go and stay in somebody's house. I found out the biggest cost in traveling is not travel. The biggest cost is the hotel. Getting some food and shelter. That if we provide, everybody can travel everywhere and people can be very happy. Once we change our understanding, then peace will come to earth very fast. If your idea is that I must protect my nation, my boundaries, shoot people, what will happen? Only trouble will start everywhere. If we say life is for everybody to be with each other, enjoy being with each other, you will open up the borders. You will make your house open instead of closing, unlocking, worrying, carrying the key. You ask any woman, What is there in that purse? What is there in that purse? Key. Everybody is carrying key, and that is the most important. Yeah, we should get rid of the key. Even when women go to the temple and they want to do namaskar, first they will take that bag, put it under their thing, put it like this, and then they will move on to the namaskar. What is more important? The purse is more important than God. Why? Because of the key. What is life for? What is life for? Enjoy your life, the gift of this life. Learning all about the world, seeing and learning all about the world, all about the people. Life is about learning how to live happily for no reason, not for acquiring marks, getting somebody else. How to be happy for no reason in your silence. Life is about learning how to be happy for no reason, to be in silence, without disturbing anybody, disturbing yourself, walk into silence. Or do you want to go into silence, or do you want to do paisa work? First of all, be happy for no reason, and then we will do. Life is about being in love with everyone whom you meet. Fight with everyone whom you meet. Life is about being in love with everyone you meet. It is not about saving your nation, saving your religion, creating wars. Life is about creating wealth, creating comfort for all the people who are around you. Make them happy. Build, but invite other people. This is yours. Go. If you hold on to your house, can you go wrong? If you are holding on to your house, this is my house, this is my house, this is my house, can you go anywhere? Even to come to this satsang with that bag is very hard. Make your home everybody's home. Then you can also live. When are you going to live? Only on death. Or are you going to live right now? Shall we live, or shall we hold on to our apartment, building? Then you say, I'm not free, I'm not free. Who is going to look after my apartment? You are holding on to the apartment, then you are telling, I'm not free. So, children should stay throughout their life in your apartment. Huh? You have created a very holy prison, and your children must stay in that prison for the rest of their life. You want your children to stay in your house forever. Hold on to that house. Life is about creating things and giving it to others and quitting. Create, gift and quit. Create beautiful things, not dirty things. Create beautiful things. Gift, go. Then you too can say, they too can say. No, if the definition of life is understood, many things will change. Okay, shall we start teaching our children this definition? Or only about good marks? Paisa. Life is about paisa. Why paisa is there? Build something nice, give it, go. More paisa will come to you automatically. And what is paisa anyway? What for? Ek rote, ek langote. If somebody invites you with love, that is the greatest wealth. If you invite other people with love, that's the greatest thing. Open up your house and get out. Learn to get out of your house. Give it to somebody and get out. See, I've been doing this for the last so many years. We create nice things, give it and go. So every time I give something away and go, I get a bigger opportunity to create something bigger. No? Or else I'm stuck in the same house, same bed, same walls, same painting and same pictures. When I give and go, I get to see the whole world. So, now we need to change fundamental things about our life. Fundamental definitions of life must change. At different times, because of poverty, because of war, because of this, people defined it in different ways. But actually, life is for you are born here to see and enjoy and share living with everyone. Create, offer. Don't hold up. Create and offer. Will there be any poor people at the time then? We have so much now. So much. We have overproduced. Each one of you have got how many clothes in your dress? Enough clothes? You have enough clothes for the rest of your life or not? We are producing and even then buying. And how many poor people fighting with you? Let us create a beautiful world. Now learn to get out. Learn to share. Redefine life. It is not about paisa. It is about seeing, loving, offering. When you are going to start? After another 30 years, after a lot of paisa. Whatever paisa you have, use it for this intention, with this purpose. God will give us a lot more. I am not telling you should not produce. You produce with lots of love to offer it to everyone. When you see something wonderful, don't try to grab it and keep it in your house. Find out how you can give that wonderful thing to so many more people. So, now today, from today I hope some new life will start on earth for all of us. What life is about? Enjoying the gift of this life, seeing the whole world, seeing and enjoying with all the people around, with everything around God has given. At one time we were very afraid of tigers, lions and so on. Now there are no tigers, lions. They are afraid of you. Now we have to protect them. Instead of we protecting ourselves against animals, now we have to build forests where they are protected from this human animal. Jai Gurudev. Now, why we meditate? Why we meditate? To be happy for no reason. Without this, all the other things becomes not possible. Happy for no reason. Being together in love for no reason. Be together in silence for no reason. Love will develop. So now, these satsangs must happen where we get together to share. Not just hearing to some music going away, okay? To learn to share. We can create a different kind of society by us understanding and being together and creating in that direction. So, right now I am offering to you a few things. One is, don't worry about your food and shelter. Okay? Don't worry. Why you should not worry? Because there is plenty in the world. Don't worry. What is God? To be in love with everyone is God. To see the God is there in the next person is God.